bath only takes him a few seconds, and then he just waits for me. He grooms me, takes my hair, and he just plays with it. I'm not allowed to be in there without him.
One day he just jumped into the bath with me. It just became an obsession. It was definitely his big moment. Just gonna waddle around, or are you actually gonna have a bath? Because I want to know if you're wasting my time.
If he doesn't want to get in, he still has to be in the bathroom. I've had Yoshi for about 3 years now. He was given to me by a friend who needed some respite. He was very scared. His wings were really badly chopped. For Yoshi to fly, it was going to take some time.
I'm gonna run a bath, okay? Let's see how long it takes you. Bath time!
Yoshi's like a glue stick. He's just on me constantly. I work from home. At some point during my shift, Yoshi has managed to wedge himself somewhere. If I am washing up dishes, Yoshi is on my shoulder. Definitely never lonely.
I'll be back in 2 seconds. You wait there. Alright?
We call him my green shadow. I had no idea that a Quaker parrot purred like a cat. I was Googling whatever I could find, saw that it meant that they were content and happy. Quaker parrots can live around 30 years. I am very nearly 30 years old. I just quietly lived my own life, and all of a sudden I was just given this green winged best friend. If I could go back and change anything, I wouldn't. I'd do it exactly the same.